Hello, my name is Max from Sugar Free Sundays. Today I'm going to be making crispy, fresh fish tacos. Medallions are perfect for our tacos because if you see, they are nice and evenly shaped, cute little size to go into our taco. I'm just going to literally marinate them from frozen. We've gone for typical Mexican spices here. A little tip here to make it easier and cleaner is actually to make your marinade inside a Ziploc bag, then pop your medallions inside of that, shake it all around and let it sit in there. And really what you want is a taco sauce that has a basis of being creamy but is actually slightly pink. To get the juice out of your limes a bit easier is just to roll them under your palm before you cut them and squeeze them. Okay, so I've turned the heat up to high and they are just sizzling away. I think a braai tong would be advisable in this instance, but if you don't have that, you can just use acrylic nails. Really just a topping party, so go look in your fridge, see what you have and gooi them on top. If you've got more fish cooking tips, head over to the Sea Harvest page.